Picture this. You are at the checkout. Your shopping is on the counter. The cashier looks at you and asks a question.
And your mind goes blank. You didn't understand. What did they say? Paper or plastic? Do you have a loyalty card? Cash or card?
Your heart beats faster. People are waiting behind you. You feel the pressure.
We have all been there. The supermarket can be a scary place when you are learning English.
But today, it stops. Today, we are going to the supermarket together.
Put your headphones on. Relax. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say at the supermarket.
Let's start. Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the English Master Channel, your cozy place to learn English through real conversations. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Asadallah. Hello, everyone. Whether you are at home, at work, or maybe even at the supermarket right now, thank you for being here.
Today's topic is one of the most useful topics for daily life. We are going to the supermarket.
Yes, the supermarket is a place we all go to, but for English learners, it can be stressful. New words, fast-talking cashiers, questions you don't expect.
So today, we will learn everything you need. The words, the questions, and the answers.
We have divided this episode into 5 parts.
Part 1, entering the store and finding things.
Part 2, asking for help.
Part 3, at the checkout.
Part 4, real conversation practice.
Part 5, word tour, key vocabulary from today.
Let's start. Part 1, entering the store.
When you walk into a supermarket, the first thing you need is a shopping cart or a basket.
In American English, we say shopping cart. In British English, they often say trolley.
You can repeat, shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
Now you are inside. You need to find things. Here are some common sections in a supermarket.
Produce section. This is where fruits and vegetables are.
For example, you can find apples and bananas in the produce section.
Dairy section. This is where milk, cheese, and yogurt are.
I need milk. Where is the dairy section?
Bakery section. This is where bread and cakes are.
The bread is in the bakery section.
Frozen foods section. This is where ice cream and frozen vegetables are.
Let's get ice cream from the frozen food section.
Meat section. This is where chicken, beef, and fish are.
I want chicken from the meat section.
Now, let's practice. You can repeat after us.
Produce section. Slowly. Produce section.
Dairy section. Slowly. Dairy section.
Bakery section. Slowly. Bakery section.
Frozen foods. Slowly. Frozen foods.
Meat section. Slowly. Meat section.
Good. Now you know where to go.
Sometimes you cannot find what you need. You have to ask for help. Here are some useful questions.
Question 1. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
You can change the last word. Where can I find the bread? Where can I find the eggs?
Question 2. Do you know where the dairy section is?
Do you know where the dairy section is?
Question 3. I'm looking for the sugar. Can you help me?
I'm looking for the sugar. Can you help me?
Question 4. Is this on sale?
Is this on sale? Sale means lower price than usual.
Question 5. How much does this cost?
How much does this cost? Or you can say, how much is this?
Let's practice. Repeat after us.
Where can I find the milk? Where can I find the milk?
I'm looking for sugar. I'm looking for sugar.
How much is this? How much is this?
Good. Now you can ask for help.
This is the part that makes many learners nervous. The cashier asks questions and you have to answer quickly.
But don't worry, we will practice the most common questions and answers.
First, the cashier will say hello. Hi, how are you today?
You can simply say, I'm good, thank you. And you?
Then they will start scanning your items. After scanning, they might ask,
Would you like a bag?
In some places, they ask, do you need bags?
You can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you, I have my own bag.
Next question, do you have a loyalty card?
A loyalty card is a store card that gives you discounts or points.
You can answer, yes, here it is, or no, I don't have one.
Then the total price. They will say, your total is $15.50.
Listen for the number. If you didn't hear clearly, you can say, I'm sorry, how much was that?
I'm sorry, how much was that?
Finally, they ask, how would you like to pay?
You have options. You can say, cash, please.
card, please.
Credit card.
Debit card.
Sometimes they ask, would you like to donate to charity?
Charity is helping people in need. You can say yes or no. It's your choice.
After you pay, they will say, have a nice day.
You can answer, you too. Thank you. Bye.
Let's practice the checkout conversation. Repeat after us. Would you like a bag?
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Do you have a loyalty card? Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Your total is $15. Your total is $15.
I'm sorry, how much? I'm sorry, how much?
Cash or card? Cash or card?
Card, please. Card, please.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. You too. Bye.
Perfect. Now you're ready for the checkout.
Now let's put everything together. We will have a real conversation at the supermarket.
I will be the customer. Sarah will be the cashier. Listen carefully, and then we will explain. Hi there.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing great, thanks. Beep, beep. Okay, your total is $23.50.
I'm sorry. How much was that?
$23.50.
Okay, thank you. Do you need bags?
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. One bag is fine.
Okay, and do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't. Not today.
No problem. How would you like to pay?
Card, please.
Go ahead and tap your card. Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you. Bye.
Did you understand everything? Let's break it down.
First, Sarah asked, "How are you today?" And I answered, "I'm good, thank you." Simple.
Then I gave the total, $23.50. That means $23.50.
I didn't hear clearly, so I used a survival phrase. I'm sorry, how much was that?
That is so important. Never be afraid to ask again.
Then Sarah asked about bags. Would you like a bag? I said yes.
Then the loyalty card. Asadullah said no.
Then payment. Card, please.
And the conversation ended with, have a nice day.
See? It's not scary. You can do this.
Now it's time for our word tour. We will go slowly, listen, repeat, and think about your own life while you learn these phrases.
Yes, this is your time to practice. Don't rush, just breathe and learn.
First word is supermarket.
Supermarket means a large store where you buy food and other things for your home.
For example, I go to the supermarket every week to buy food.
Or, the supermarket closes at 10 p.m.
You can repeat, supermarket.
Supermarket.
Slowly, supermarket.
Next word is shopping cart.
Shopping cart means the metal basket on wheels that you push around the store.
For example, I need a shopping cart. I have many things to buy.
Or, please put your shopping cart back after you finish.
You can repeat, shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
Slowly, shopping cart.
Next word is produce.
Produce means fruits and vegetables.
For example, you can find apples and bananas in the produce section.
Or, the produce here is always fresh.
You can repeat, produce.
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 Next word is dairy.
Dairy means milk, cheese, yogurt, and things made from milk.
For example, I need milk from the dairy section.
Or, I don't eat dairy. I am lactose intolerant.
You can repeat dairy.
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 Next word is bakery.
Bakery means the place where bread and cakes are made or sold.
For example, the bread at the bakery is always warm and fresh.
Or, I love the smell of the bakery section.
You can repeat bakery.
Bakery.
Slowly. Bakery.
Next word is frozen.
Frozen means very cold, below freezing, like ice.
For example, I buy frozen vegetables because they last longer.
Or, ice cream is in the frozen foods section.
You can repeat, frozen.
Frozen.
Slowly, frozen.
Next word is checkout.
Checkout means the place where you pay for your items.
For example, there is a long line at the checkout.
Or, please go to checkout number 3.
You can repeat checkout.
Checkout.
Slowly. Checkout.
Next word is cashier.
Cashier means the person who takes your money at the checkout.
For example, the cashier was very friendly and helpful.
Or, I asked the cashier for a bag.
You can repeat cashier.
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 Next word is receipt.
Receipt means the piece of paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid.
For example, keep your receipt in case you need to return something.
Or, can I have the receipt, please?
You can repeat receipt.
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 Last word is loyalty card.
Loyalty card means a store card that gives you discounts or points when you shop.
For example, do you have a loyalty card? It saves you money.
Or, I forgot my loyalty card at home today.
You can repeat loyalty card.
Loyalty card.
Slowly, loyalty card.
Beautiful. 10 words to help you at the supermarket. So that was our episode. Let's review what we learned. Part 1. Sections of the supermarket. Produce. Dairy. Bakery. Frozen. Meat.
Part 2. Asking for help. Where can I find? How much is this?
Part 3. At the checkout. Bags. Loyalty card. Total. Payment.
Part 4. A real conversation. You heard how it works in real life.
Part 5. Word tour. 10 important words for your next supermarket trip.
Now here is the most important thing. You need to practice.
Yes, the next time you go to a supermarket, even if you are in your own country, try to think in English.
Look at the items and say their names in English. Bread, milk, apples.
Imagine the conversation in your head. What would the cashier say? What would you answer?
Practice makes perfect.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, finish this sentence.
The next time I go to the supermarket, I will...
Maybe you will ask for help in English. Maybe you will practice saying the total. Write it down.
We will read every comment and cheer you on.
And if you found this episode helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the English Master channel, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
This is Asadullah.
And this is Sarah.
Take care of your English. Take care of yourself, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Until next time.
Remember, the supermarket is just a store. It's not a test. You can do this.
Happy shopping and happy learning. Bye, everyone.